Hello, so I'm at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I've got here a Knaus Vansation on a VW base. I'm going to show to you, and I'm going to show it to you as quick as I can because I see there's people coming in. This thing here is going to cost 93,600. Van TI VW 640 meg. Look at the technical stuff here if it comes up. 689 long, 220 wide, payload here, so it's in the worst case scenario it's 475 kilos of payload. Right, so let's now have a look inside. It's 93,600. It is on a VW. That's going to bang the price up a bit. Knaus Tabbert have a lot of stock of VWs because they bought them massively. I've known. Anyway, I'll do that with a corporate video if I ever do one. And anyways, that's why it's on VW. It's got a step up here. I wouldn't want to see a step up really in a vehicle of this cost. I think that's bad. We've got two burners here. We've got a sink there. We've got storage below. If I come to the back, we've got a German bed layout. We've got a storage under here. We've got storage under there. Also note I can access the storage from up here as well. Would of course benefit from a light. Well, there is a light there. Hang on just a minute. Let's see if that's working. It isn't. And it's all storage under there, which opens the same way. Storage at the back. You've got a shelf at the back. We've got we can turn the lights on and off from the switch next to the bed. Windows at either side. Pointless shelf up there. But I suppose it's reasonably deep, so maybe it's not as pointless as I might have thought of initially. And I've got this rather curious. Okay, it's not decorative. That's highly useful. I was going to say decorative. It's highly useful. Right. So here's the washroom. I failed to turn the lights on in the washroom. Let's give it another go. Oh, look at that! So, amazing what you can do. In here, bench toilet. We've got a below two drainage points. Obviously the carpet wouldn't be in when you're using it. You can of course open this backwards and forwards if I move this thing down here, but you don't have to do it if you don't want to do it. That's a bit tight, and that creates that. But really I would wash myself in this position. I'm going to see if I can. That really is tight there. You mightn't like the lights, but I do. We've also got a sensible sliding door across here. I should have show you the sink, can't remember. I did show the two burners, there you go. We've got drawers down here. A bit daft not filling the walls in. Let's close the door so you can hear it. Sorry, that was my fault, I didn't do it hard enough. Pretty good. Freezer compartment, that's what we look like inside the fridge. And here we have a look up there. Very nice. Lots of light will come in thanks to the skylight up there, plus this one. Very good. And there's also an MPK, same as I had in my last vehicle. I've still got three of them. Might actually put them in my lying around. Might even put them in my current vehicle. Very good MPK, like them. Here we've got space for a television. Quite a large space in my opinion. Storage up here and like that. And this thing here also has a soft close. I'm not going to demonstrate it because it might take some time. Okay, there's the front of the VW. Largest table, extension there. Let's go out and have a look outside. Here we've got gas cylinder space and a garage at the back, like that. And door with there's a bag down here, but it's not here at the moment. And there's a window in the door. Let's have a look at this side, including opening the door here. Step up, yeah, reasonable, no problems there. Right, so I did that rather quickly. not the sort of detail I do normally like to go into. Right, so I think it's look, if you want to get a VW at the front, and that's one thing, but I think it's a bit overpriced for what it is. Anyway, that's my opinion. You might think differently. Thanks for watching.